What you doing, Simon? Did you put all your clothes in Ian's bathtub and now you're going to put them back? That's so thoughtful. Wow. Oh, be careful. That's it. Stuff him in there. Oh, those don't need to go back. Oh, those don't go in there? Do they go in another drawer? Take them out, put them in, take them out. You're goofy. Are you going to fold them? Is that why they need to come out? Hey, Simon. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? Too busy with your task? Can they all fit in that bathtub? Say bye-bye.